Knowing where your money goes every month is an important step toward financial independence. That's why setting a budget is one of the first things financial planners work on with new clients. Why is budgeting so important? Put simply, budgeting can help you balance your needs and wants today with the goals you want to accomplish in the future. First, let's take a look at your current flow of money. Write down all of your monthly expenses and sources of income. This will help you start to see where you can cut your spending habits. It's important to know where your money is going, so you can see if there are any obvious adjustments to make right off the bat. Next, you'll want to set some goals and build them into a multi-year plan. Here's an example. In 1 year, I'd like to pay off my credit card debt. In 2 years, I'd like to save up for a new car. And in 10 years, I'd like to purchase a home. Having a multi-year plan can help make your goals feel more achievable. Now it's time to determine what kind of overall approach you want to take. You might try a structure called the 50-30-20 method. Using this method, 50% of your income will go to the essentials, things like housing, food, and utilities. 30% goes to the things you want but don't necessarily need, like updating your kitchen or living room, leaving you to put the remaining 20% to savings, like your retirement, investment accounts, and emergency fund. Another approach is to budget by line item. This means creating categories for your expenses and then setting a limit that you don't want to exceed. The final method we'll cover is the zero-based budget. This means that every dollar of your income has a task or goal, and when you add up all of your expenses and savings, it should equal your income exactly. You might not always get your budget right the first time. It's common to miss some of your expenses when starting out. An easy way to simplify your finances is setting up auto payments when possible, giving you one less thing to worry about. Once you've built your budget, you'll want to check in a month or two and make adjustments to reflect the realities and changes of day-to-day life. But once you have a solid sense of how things are working, you can space out your check-ins to be less frequent. One last tip. The key to a good budget is the ability to make tweaks and refinements as you see fit. Whatever your budgeting goals, SoFi Money can help you track your finances, monitor your credit score, keep tabs on your spending, and provide insights, all in one easy-to-use app. To get started on your path to financial success, download our app or visit SoFi.com.